Do you want to learn how to land your first backflip without breaking your neck? Then watch this video. I've taught dozens of people how to land their first backflip. And today I'm gonna break it down so even your grandma could try it. I would really recommend using a mattress until you get over the fear of rotating backwards. That way you will not break your neck. So step one is get used to explode up from the ground. Take your knees up into your chest and visualize yourself rotating backwards. So do like that a lot of times until you get used to the feeling of tucking your knees into your chest. So step two is to gradually just do a back handspring until you get over the fear of rotating backwards, like this. So you want to progressively do that more and more backwards until you almost do a full back handspring. And then you want to just practice letting go of your arms, sticking with your feet and landing. Just start slow, start like this. And then you want to combine step number one and step number two. First, you blast off, and second, tuck in, and third, just go backwards. So instead of taking your arms in the ground, you just take your arms on your knees, just like this. Simple as that. It really isn't that scary to do a backflip once you get it. The scary part is just letting go of the ground and looking at the sky. But you don't really look up into the sky that much. You just look forwards. Then as you get up, you grab your knees, and then the rotation happens so quickly that it's almost like you look forwards, you jump up, take your knees, and then in 1 second, just like that, you're looking at the ground again. So it's not that scary because you're not looking up into the sky for very long. You're just looking forwards, and then all of a sudden you're seeing the ground. It goes very fast. I'm gonna let you see how the POV looks like. So I'm gonna use a GoPro and hold the camera like in my eye area, and then I'm gonna try to show how it looks. But this might be challenging because I can only tuck with one arm, but I'll try. All right. So you have step one, explode. Step two, back handspring. And then step three, combine step one and step two. Don't take your hands into the ground, just tuck them on your knees, and it will look something like this. Very easy. Comment down below what you would like to learn next. So that's how you do a backflip. Now I want you to go and try. It's not that hard. It is just all about gutsing, just going for it. I believe in you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.